Stop drowning in digital tools. You're a business owner. You're busy. You're probably feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of digital tools promising to revolutionize your business. You've probably felt this too. Too many options, not enough clarity. Imagine this. Now imagine telling me your most repetitive tasks, and within minutes, I show you a working AI solution tailored to your workflow. No more endless searching. Just practical solutions. Real guidance, real results. In a world flooded with apps and hype, real human guidance matters. We don't just teach AI. We walk with you through adoption, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your business. Visual Latina, a global ad agency, is optimizing creative processes with AI. MTA Colombia, an engineering firm, is automating technical reports. They started just like you. Now they're leading their industries with AI. Those who start now gain the competitive edge. AI is not optional, it's a time advantage. Don't get left behind. Reach out to me for a one-on-one session. Let's discover your quick wins with AI. This is a consultative process, and it starts with one conversation.
If you're thinking, I need this in my company, you're not alone. Many others already took the first step, and you can too. Scan the QR or click the link below. Let's talk.